Click on the link below to get price. The Gskill G5 Neo Series DDR5 RAM is a remarkable upgrade for anyone looking to enhance their system's performance, especially for AMD users. This 64GB kit, comprised of 4 16GB modules, operates at an impressive speed of 6,000 metric tons per second with a CAS latency of CL30-36-36-96, making it a stellar choice for gaming, content creation, and heavy multitasking. Upon installation, the performance boost was immediately noticeable. The RAM seamlessly integrated with my AMD Ryzen 9 5900X, leveraging the full potential of the AMD Expo technology. This feature simplifies the setup process by allowing easy overclocking, which significantly enhances the overall system stability and performance. The 6,000 metric tons per second speed is optimized for gaming, resulting in smoother frame rates and quicker load times, which is crucial for competitive gaming. One of the standout characteristics of the Gskill G5 Neo series is its aesthetic appeal. The sleek design and customizable RGB lighting add a modern touch to any build. The lighting can be synchronized with other components, creating a cohesive look that enhances the overall gaming experience. Thermal performance is also impressive. The heat spreaders effectively dissipate heat, which is vital when pushing the RAM to its limits during intense sessions. The build quality feels solid and reliable, which speaks volumes about Gskill's reputation in the market. When it comes to compatibility, this RAM doesn't disappoint. It works flawlessly with a wide range of motherboards, especially those designed for the latest AMD chipsets. The installation process is straightforward, and the modules fit snugly into the DIMM slots. In conclusion, the Gskill G5 Neo Series DDR5 RAM is a top-tier choice for those seeking high-performance memory. With its rapid speeds, excellent thermal management, and stunning aesthetics, it's an investment that significantly enhances both gaming and productivity. Whether you're a gamer, streamer, or content creator, this RAM will elevate your system's capabilities to the next level.